doing?
Good, good, brother. You up, rise and shine, right? Really early.
The sun's not even out yet.
I know. But look, we got Caleb here, hands-on detailing.
Yes, sir.
And we're gonna capture a little footage behind the scenes. And in between, we'll kind of ask you a couple questions.
All right, cool.
Yeah, nice little segment.
Sounds good.
All right, so we have Caleb here getting my car washed. And one thing I will say, he's one of the best detailers here in Orlando. And the reason why I say that, because he always asks you, hey, your car's coated with what? He makes sure that if there's anything that he has, if you have on already, he knows already to kind of adjust his cleaning methods. But what I will say though, he asked about exactly what coating I have. He knows I have Modesta coating on here. And we're basically, he's gonna adjust it and actually get the car washed properly. But let's go over to Caleb. Hey Caleb, how long have you been in the business?
About 2-3 years.
2-3 years?
Yes, sir.
You're like 20 years old, right?
Yeah.
20 years old, so really inspiring for a lot of the entrepreneurs out there. And now he has his own shop, you know, he's detailing on site in Orlando.
You're good to go.
And one of the top detailers here in Orlando. Caleb, so doing this business and stuff, at what point did you go into your own shop? I know you had a mobile detailing, you still do mobile detailing, right? So at what point did you transition over to a shop? Because I think you just opened a new shop, right?
Yeah, I just moved into a shop in downtown Orlando.
Okay.
But I'm still keeping the mobile rig.
Congratulations.
Shop. Thank you.
Because it takes a lot to do that business itself. It also takes a lot to do a shop, and it's a lot of stress, right? And you feel it. You feel it, especially this weekend.
Yep.
But Caleb, with that being said, I know this is like a quick wash cast because you have a whole bunch of cars to do. One of the questions I like to ask, because I think it could be very inspiring to other people, is that what motivates you in life? What keeps you going? What makes you hungry to do what you do?
It's too early to be thinking about stuff like that.
But okay.
What keeps me going is just, I guess I have a passion for it. Like, I wake up every morning, I'm happy to do what I do. Like, it never gets old to me. So I guess that's what keeps me going, because it's fun to me. So it's easy to stay going.
What do you mean it was fun? Like, what got you started? Did you watch some YouTube, or was it more like you're always into getting cars like bright and shiny and things like that?
So for my 16th birthday, I got an Armor All kit from AutoZone. Okay. And I thought I was like the best detailer in town with my little Armor All kit. Yeah. And I started watching like Obsessed Garage and Ammo NYC and stuff like that, and it was like super satisfying to me. So it just became fun, and I started doing it for other people. So that's how it all got started.
For anybody that is a young entrepreneur inspiring to do what you do, any advice for the ones that are trying to make it happen?
My only advice is to keep on going. You know, if you try hard at something for long enough, it'll work. You'll be successful at it.
You didn't give up, right? I'm sure in the beginning it wasn't easy, right? I'm sure you had some doubts and stuff. But I guess in life and stuff, when you have like these trials and tribulations, you guys can make it happen.
Yep, just keep on going, and eventually something will click and you'll be successful.
I'm sure yesterday you didn't get much sleep because you were washing cars and getting things all prepped, and you had a pre-meet yesterday night. Yeah. And today you're not gonna get any sleep.
Yep. What's sleep? I don't know what that
I got 3 hours of sleep anyway, so maybe 2, I think 2.
Yes, sir.
So with Invasion last year, what did you take away from that whole event last year?
It was a lot of fun.
A lot of fun?
The people I met was the best part.
Okay.
Like,
and why do you say that?
I mean, just people that you like never meet every day. They're all like, they all come here, and then the friendships you get from it is always really good.
And tell me not, the BMW community is probably one of the best communities out there, right?
Yeah.
Caleb, we looking forward to seeing this year at the show. I know you just got an E92 M3, so are you looking to see more E92s out there?
Yeah, waiting to see where I can just, all my money's gonna go this year.
Exactly, all the money he makes today, he's gonna see exactly where he spends it on next year, or even in a couple months.
Yep.
And Caleb, isn't it great to be able to do something very, I guess, by yourself? And I'm sure your parents are very proud of you, right?
Yeah,
I'm sure they talk about you. You're probably like their godchild, right? Caleb on his own, 20 years old, business owner, working hard and all that stuff.
You know, it always like starts out like they're just worried about you. Say, of course, they want you to go to college and stuff like that. But once they see you like being successful and like see what you're doing every day, then they start becoming more lenient and then letting you come out the nest and stuff like that. If
you had to tell yourself, let's say 5 years ago, if you had to tell Caleb Jr. something that you know now that you didn't know, what would you tell him? I'm hitting you with some hard questions. That's the last hard question.
Can you repeat that question again?
So, if you had a chance to tell yourself 5 years ago, right? Hey Caleb, you should do this or not do this. What would you tell yourself?
Just take risks.
Take risks?
You know, the best things that came out of the business is when I took risks.
Would you say take risks earlier and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like jump on opportunities. You know what I'm saying? Just don't be afraid to do stuff. You know. Okay. If it scares you, that means you're probably in the right direction.
Exactly.
You don't want to be comfortable.
We could all take into place. Or take into account. But anything else to say to the people here? Definitely follow him on Instagram, Hands On Detailing. And you actually have an Instagram for your car, right?
Yeah. You have the Detailing Instagram, and I have HOD M3 for the E92.
Okay. Anything else to the people before we let you go? Because I know you're very busy.
I just want to say thank you for having me today. I appreciate it, man. It's always a pleasure, and just have a good day today, man.
Exactly.
Have fun.
Other than that, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. You're probably going to see this video towards the end of the series of the Invasion of Orlando, because I do want to get all the other content out. If you guys like these types of videos, talking to people, just chatting with them, and actually washing cars, let me know down below. Other than that, I'm gonna get ready for a really exhausting day. I have John Townsend turn the camera around. It's so ironic. It's so ironic. He's always on the videos, holding the camera. I gotta thank him so much for that. But other than that, I wanna thank you guys again, and I will see you guys on the next video.